Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Essie, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. And if you are you're a coming back subscriber, welcome, and I give you a case.
I ain't going. Oh no, I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for supporting this channel. And today is Sunday. Well, I just decided I'll make my makeup, and it's already in the evening, but I'll make my makeup and I'll just go out and randomly get some content, make some photos. And I mean, the makeup is amazing. The hair, I just decided to make my hair, and why not? Why not? It's time to do something for yourself each and every time. Remember, you are the one and not anybody else. Only you, no copy, no nothing. So believe in yourself and you always be successful in whatever you do. So without further ado, I'm just going to get dressed. I don't know what I'm dressing or I'm putting on, but I just going to get dressed, whereby something that I'm not going to freeze my ass. Sorry. It's really cold outside, and yeah, I'm just going to get dressed and then we go out there and do something great. So I will see you in a minute. Hi guys, and welcome and today I'm just taking you down to another space. This is my creative room, my sewing room, and my space when I just want to be by myself, do creative stuff, and just be on my own world. So this is my place. That's where I come down here to do. And yeah guys, so welcome. And today's Sunday, I just thought I would come down here. My outfit is amazing. I just took some pictures. I will just put them on one of the side so that you can see how I look like with this outfit. It's so amazing. And yeah, just a simple casual outfit and we're good to go. So yeah, I just thought today, it's been so long since I came to my sewing room, sewing on some, because I didn't feel like I was not getting these creativity ideas. And this is because like the time when my German mom was sick, so anytime I could come down here, I couldn't work, I couldn't think, I couldn't do nothing. And after she passed away, it became worse. So I used to try to do my work upstairs, but you know, like upstairs, I just felt like I didn't have that space like here. I really have a lot of space until behind there. I have a space behind here. So you see, all these outfits are all done, created, and sewn by me. And I really love being creative. I really love sewing. I really love putting my ideas to life, and or bringing them to life, and just seeing the end results. And just at the end of the moment when I wear them and took those photos, I feel so amazing. I just feel like, okay, you can do something. So this is something I can't do without it, and I feel so like empty when I don't have to sew and do this creative work and all the stuff. So guys, yeah, I will give you a tour of my sewing room next time. I have to put some things in order because I haven't been working on my sewing room for quite so long, so I have to get my stuff together. See my dress, this amazing dress, I love it. And yeah, I think soon I will give you that tour of my sewing room and we got, I'm sure this winter we have a lot to catch up with sewing and all the stuff, because it gets cold, it gets dark so quick, and when you have your free time you can be just working out there, you know. It's cold for me, yeah, because I don't like driving around when it's slidey and all that stuff on a cold days. So unless I have a really important thing to do, so yeah. So as I said last time on my other video, I'm really liking it to combine like color clash colors, like, you know, like today I have like these perms, high heels, and with they are red. Is it red? Kind of, yeah. And this leather leggings, pants, and this amazing color green, and I love this. And actually this top I bought it in Kenya, and what seriously, I bought it in a second-hand place where they sell like second-hand clothing in Kenya. I was there on a Sunday and I was looking for things, and for some, I was walking around the market and there was this guy who was selling some, and I thought, wow, this is really a nice color, I love it. And I just picked it, and it wasn't expensive. It's crazy, but I really love it. It's a kind of big, but I need to work with it, to do something about it. Anyway, no matter, no diggy, no problem. So that's my style of today. And my hair today, I just did some waves, some curls, and yeah, my makeup, I'm loving it. And yeah, this is all I can tell you for today. I will continue with this vlog tomorrow. I'm sure I'll be here tomorrow just working on some few things. If I don't have anything to do or to go somewhere, I'll be down here, and I will make sure I will vlog about what I'll be doing out down here. And guys, make sure you like my videos, like, comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. And if you are new here, I am Essie, and if you are my subscriber, make sure that you are always welcome. You don't have to worry about that. I love making friends. I love meeting new people, and I'm so thankful that you support my channel. Make sure you continue supporting, subscribing, and this is how this is how. Hi guys, why I just fixed this wig. Yeah, it's a wig. So I've been having this for like a month and a half, 2 months, and yeah, I've styled it before, but today I just decided to style it again. This wig, I bought it by AliExpress, and I can't remember which one, but if you are looking to have one, it's very amazing. Just go there and check. I'm not doing advertisement to any, I'm not paid for anything, so it's my money. And yeah, I love the way it's looking amazing. Somebody might think that I just did some cornrows. Oh, there's no corner. I did some braids. It's just like when you change this style, and I'm loving it. So guys, So guys, yeah, welcome. So I've been trying to take some photos on my stairs, that is, and well, because I don't have any other option. It's cold outside. It's not. It's kind of dark still. So I just feel like I make some photos. I take some photos around here, and yeah, I think you'll like it. You'll love them. And today I was not really in that mood of doing it, but I just felt like every day should be a productive day. Whether you feel like doing it or not, it will make you get into your routine. And that's why I promised myself I have to be doing every day something for my channel. That way we come somewhere. So guys, this is how it turned out. So I will see you in the next one. With this whole fabric, just a temporary, I'm not going to sew, it's just a temporary outfit, and I'm going to combine it with the top, and just stay tuned and you'll see how it's going to look. So happy. Yeah, this is just the fabric. I just put it together and I made an outfit. So hi guys, today we are going to style this dress. I sewed it myself, and also I'm going to combine these shoes. So we're going to start dressing up with the outfit and then put on the shoes, and then we are ready to rock. So this is the outfit, and I have the top for the head, so this is the outfit. Yo, what do you think? I'm loving it. So I'm just going to take some photos outside, not outside, outside of this room, and then we are good to go. Welcome back. I just did this shoot right now. You will just see the pictures as well on my Instagram. Make sure you like and follow me on Instagram as well. Yeah, I think they are amazing. Amazing. Yeah, so I will see you later, I guess. So yeah, I love this dress because I saw it myself, design and all this. So hi guys, welcome back. So I've been sewing this outfit, which I will show you in a minute. I've been sewing it and I really saw it's really quick. Within 1 hour and a half I was done sewing. And yeah, the top I already sewed like sometimes back, but the skirt, it was really quick to sew. And yeah, and I will show you how the outcome looks like, and I'm loving it. And I just combine them with the silver black shoes, and it looks amazing.